Hello, everyone. Welcome back to LearnFlow English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. It's so lovely to have you here with us today.
Before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us create more content for you.
Yes, your support means everything to us. Thank you so much.
So, Alex, today we're talking about something really important: how to express your feelings in English.
Oh, I love this topic, Mia. It's something so many learners struggle with, actually.
Exactly. I mean, you can know thousands of words, but when someone asks, "How are you feeling?" many people just say, "I'm fine."
Yes, I'm fine is the classic answer. But Mia, are we really always just fine?
No, we're not robots, right? We have so many different emotions every single day.
Speaking of feelings, Mia, how was your weekend? You seemed quite excited about something on Friday.
Oh, I was. I was absolutely thrilled because my sister came to visit me from Melbourne. I haven't seen her in 6 months.
That's wonderful. So you were thrilled, not just happy, but thrilled.
Yes, thrilled is like happy times 10. And what about you, Alex? How was your weekend?
Well, to be honest, I was a bit stressed out. I had to finish a big project for work, and I was quite worried I wouldn't finish it on time.
Oh, no. But did you finish it?
Yes, thankfully. And now I feel so relieved, like a huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders.
See? Just in our weekend stories, we used 4 different feeling words: thrilled, stressed out, worried, and relieved. That's so much better than just saying good and bad, right?
Absolutely. And that's exactly what we want to teach today.
So, here's the thing. Many English learners know basic emotion words like happy, sad, angry, scared, and those are great words, but native speakers use so many more expressions to describe exactly how they feel.
Yes. And when you can express your emotions accurately, your conversations become more real, more natural, more human.
Exactly. So today, we're going to teach you how to go beyond "I'm fine" and really express what's in your heart.
And don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. No complicated grammar here.
Okay, let's start with happy feelings. Alex, what's a better word than just happy?
Well, if something really, really good happens, I might say I'm delighted.
Delighted? That sounds so British, Alex.
It does, doesn't it? But it's a lovely word. For example, I'm absolutely delighted you could come to my party.
Nice. Another word I love is thrilled, like I said about my sister visiting. You're so excited that you almost can't contain it.
Yes, thrilled is wonderful. And here's a fun one. If something makes you extremely happy, you can say you're over the moon.
Over the moon. That's such a cute expression.
It is. For example, I got the job. I'm over the moon.
Aw, I love it. And what about when you're just content? Not super excited, just peacefully happy.
Ah, yes. Content is perfect for that feeling. I'm just sitting here with my tea, feeling quite content.
That's so you, Alex. Very relaxed and British.
Well, tea does make everything better, Mia.
Okay, now let's talk about the other side, when we're not feeling so great. What's better than just saying, "I'm sad"?
Well, if something really upsets you emotionally, you might say you're heartbroken.
Yes, heartbroken is usually for very big sad things, like a relationship ending or losing someone you love.
Exactly. It's quite a strong word. But sometimes you just feel a little bit sad, not heartbroken. Then you might say you're feeling down.
Oh yes, I'm feeling a bit down today. That's so common.
Or you could say you're feeling blue. It's quite a poetic way to say sad.
Blue, I love that one. I'm feeling a bit blue. It sounds gentle, you know?
Yes, exactly. And if something really, really upsets you, you might say you feel miserable.
Oof, miserable is strong. That's like really, really sad.
It is, yes. For example, I had such a terrible day at work. I felt absolutely miserable.
Poor Alex. But see, everyone, look how many ways we can express sadness. It's not just I'm sad. We have down, blue, heartbroken, miserable. Each one tells a different story.
Precisely. And when you use these words, people understand your feelings much better.
Now, let's talk about worry. This is a really common feeling, especially for people learning a new language.
Oh, absolutely. Instead of just saying I'm worried, you can say I'm anxious.
Yes, anxious is that uncomfortable feeling in your stomach when you're worried about something.
Exactly. I'm anxious about my English exam tomorrow.
Or you can say you're stressed out, like you mentioned before, Alex.
Yes, stressed out means you have too much pressure, too many things to do, and you're feeling overwhelmed.
And speaking of overwhelmed, that's another great word. When everything feels like too much, you're overwhelmed.
Oh, yes, that's quite common. I have 3 projects due this week. I feel completely overwhelmed.
I know that feeling. And here's a fun expression. When you're extremely worried, you can say you're a nervous wreck.
A nervous wreck. That's quite dramatic, isn't it?
It is, but sometimes we feel dramatic. I'm a nervous wreck about my job interview tomorrow.
That's true, and it's quite expressive, which makes your English more colorful.
All right, now let's talk about anger. What's a stronger word than just angry, Alex?
Well, if you're extremely angry, you might say you're furious.
Furious. That's like fire breathing angry.
Yes, exactly. He lied to me, and I was absolutely furious.
And what about when something just bothers you a little bit?
Ah, then you're annoyed. It's not huge anger, just irritated.
Yes, the noise from the street is really annoying me.
Precisely. And here's a very British expression, fed up.
Fed up. I love that one.
It means you're tired or something and you've had enough. I'm fed up with this rainy weather.
Very British indeed. And for our American friends, there's also ticked off, or the more casual pissed off, but be careful, that one's quite informal.
Yes, use that one only with friends, not in formal situations.
Exactly. So we have annoyed for small anger, angry for regular anger, furious for big anger, and fed up when you're just tired of something.
Perfect summary, Mia.
Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes we don't feel just one thing. Sometimes we feel confused about our feelings.
Oh, yes, that's when you might say you have mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings, that's perfect. Like, I have mixed feelings about moving to a new city. I'm excited, but also sad to leave my friends.
Exactly. And sometimes you feel torn between 2 choices.
Torn, yes. I feel torn between taking the new job and staying at my current job.
And here's another one. When something surprises you in a good way, you might feel amazed or astonished.
Oh, yes. I was amazed by how beautiful the sunset was.
And on the opposite side, when something finally ends and you feel free from worry, you feel relieved, like I mentioned earlier.
Relieved is such a good feeling. The exam is over. I feel so relieved.
And one more. When you're happy about something you achieved, you feel proud.
Yes, I'm so proud of myself for learning English.
You should be proud, Mia, and everyone watching should be proud too.
Okay, Alex, let's do a little practice. I'll give you a situation and you tell me how you feel using one of our new words. Ready?
Ready?
Situation 1. You studied really hard for an exam and you got a perfect score. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel thrilled and quite proud of myself.
Perfect. Okay, situation 2. Your friend canceled your plans for the 3rd time this month. How do you feel?
I'm definitely annoyed, maybe even a bit fed up with them canceling so much.
Yes. Okay, last one. You're starting a new job tomorrow. How do you feel?
Oh, that's a complex one. I think I'd have mixed feelings. I'm excited about the new opportunity, but also a bit anxious about meeting new people.
Perfect answer. See, everyone? That's how we use these words in real situations.
So, Mia, how can our viewers practice using these feeling words?
Great question. Here's my tip. Every evening before you go to bed, ask yourself in English, how did I feel today?
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yes, and then try to use one of these new words. Today I felt overwhelmed at work, but relieved when I finished my project.
I love that. It's like an emotional diary in English.
Exactly, and you can even write it down, just 1 or 2 sentences every day.
And another tip, when you're watching movies or series in English, pay attention to how characters express their feelings. You'll learn so many natural expressions.
Oh, yes, that's how you learn the tone and the context, too. Well, Alex, this has been such a lovely conversation. I hope everyone learned some new ways to express their feelings.
Me too, Mia. Remember, everyone, it's okay to have emotions and it's wonderful to express them.
Absolutely. Don't just say, I'm fine all the time. Tell people how you really feel.
And please, leave us a comment below. Tell us, how are you feeling right now? Use one of the words we taught today.
Yes, we'd love to read your answers. And don't forget to subscribe to LearnFlow English for more warm conversations like this.
Thank you so much for joining us today. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep feeling.
Cheerio.